Na. Kala ko malalaking skylight to.
Ito mahirap, di ako marunong may ano.
Scroll lang naman.
Yung, ay yung ano nito.
Ha? Sa loob.
Yung tukod.
Sa loob i-scroll to. Ito.
Yes. Kung yung video ha. Hindi sila nga rin. Ito na lang siguro to. Ibigay na lang natin sa matanda. Huwag natin papain. We got some piece of shingles.
Huh?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, that's okay, yeah.
They gave you the
don't need it. I have-
they gave you the handle on this one?
Oh,
You gave us, yeah, you gave us already some,
Oh, that's so much?
yeah. So I have enough.
You don't. Oh, okay.
Sorry, that you brought it up?
No.
No.
Oh, I see. Oh, you can, yeah.
Did the
It goes through
hello,
the
sir,
house.
did the delivery
Yeah, I took
give you the handle on this one
the handle.
for the skylight?
No, I don't have the handle.
Oh, wala.
Oh,
No?
or maybe is it the same here? See, I took the other one off, but this is different, I think.
Oh, there's a small one, but the big one, no?
The big one.
Ah.
Oh,
No?
no, the fixed.
This one is fixed,
The fixed, yeah.
but this one is the wing.
That is in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So you can go in and out if you want to, you know.
Okay, I'll go inside there later.
Ito, maganda rin dito. Maganda rin dito. Ang in-expect ko yung may ano eh.
Yung.
Yung tulad dun sa nut van, yung
Yung.
may tukod.
Na-consi ito, naabot lang.
This is the old one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if that's fixed.
Yeah, I have heard the small. I thought there's also
It was
the
like that when it came.
the big one.
Without the handle.
Yeah, there is here.
Oh. Before that.
Yeah, sometimes they do the long one.
Yeah.
If the skylight is too high, so
Oh, I see.
we need the one.
You talk about the big
Yeah.
skylight.
Yung
No, it's like the stick, the longer one. If the skylight is high, they need that.
Oh, they need that, but not the small one.
Yeah.
No, I don't understand what you mean.
If the skylight is high, it won't
Yeah.
hit.
But it's not high.
Yeah. That's why it's okay with the small one.
Oh, I see, small one. Oh,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see. So you get one
Yeah, there is here.
because that is no good, huh?
Tingnan mo na, pati yung mga corner na yun.
Hindi pumapasok. Teka, tignan ko sa loob. Teka. Iangat. Sige, testing. Parang may kwan dyan, ibigay, wala nang bababa. Hindi na bababa.
Yung kari yan, puyot mo kari. Ito? Oo.
Ah, dito pa banda.
Parehas na kanan din sa baba.
Sige, ibaba mo muna, tapos dito ang kaldagin mo ng konti. Ito ang mataas. hindi ba tumatama doon sa ano, sa metal diyan sa labas? Yan ang kailangan ibaba. Yan. Pumasok na. Dito ba? Sa'yo. Oh. Okay na, pwede nang kan. Oh, nilagyan nyo ng kaking.
Yan sa likod mo.
Kailangan na ng tali dyan mamaya.
Kaya nga.
Kaya ladder. Ay, dapat tinanggal muna yung mga angkor.
Kaya pa punta si Arby doon? Dilaw. Yung may pambuno.
Skylight installation. Ah,
Ito ba? Baba niya. Ah, pwede mo. Okay. Okay. Baba niya. Baba siya yan, Jay. Sino mo kanina? Kala ko mag-tatay. Muntik na eh. Kahit punti. Galing doon kari. Galing sa kari.
carry bells.
Kaya lang yan kanina.
Ayos na.
Tina.
Nagkabit ko na naman doon, lagi baklas.
Bakit?
Wala na yung turbine.
Ah, may ano siya? May...
Spray kung dapat yung oh, init ko ang lagyan eh. Yung may tubo rin, may tubo rin.
Yung pinaputasan na yun yung nilagyan mo. Yung ano, may butas doon. Pinaputasan na lang. Circle.
Circle, mga nagbutas nun.
Yung natinakpan yun, no? Pero sila, din yung natinakpan.
Lagyan namin.
Tigas.
Yung sa bandang taas.
Hirap-hirap. Overhead.
Apat na. Ayos na. Ayos na.
Ganyan lang pala yan.
Ganyan lang ang bukas niya.
Hindi ko alam. Yun.
Oh.
Nung nagbaklas kami, wala pa ng proteksyon. Yung backpan, ang daming debris. Pagtanggal namin ni Arvin, na ano dito, natapon. Pati yung mga toothbrush niya, nalaglagan yung mga debris.
Kaya pala ni-steady na yung pan dito.
Oo, nilagyan niya ng ano, protection. Ayaw niya na maglinis. Nagsorry lang kami. Binakyum niya.
Nandyan na yung panglinis. Okay. Final nyo na. Ayos na mga brother.
Tipid na. Pera na. Mahapas mo pa ng martilyo, Bia.
Ay, meron pa pala. Kalimutan na.
Sa'yo ang iskin mo pala.
Everything okay?
Yeah. I almost forgot the screen.
Good, good. You guys are really good. I don't know if this string does it work. No, I don't think so. Huh? I'll
Yes.
take one out.
The string.
Yeah, take one out.
Just remove it.
Just move it. Yeah. No, yeah, just let it.
Oh, okay.
One is good enough, huh? Because it's for the blinds to keep up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can do that. Yeah. No, we'll do it with it here, maybe. Otherwise, put it on. Otherwise, take a lot. Take it off. Oh, you get it there.
Yeah.
Oh, it sits right there. That's right.
I'll go for some top. Maybe.
Hold it. Okay.
Okay.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's just 2 screws? Or you don't do it? You leave the screws out, huh?
No, I did it the wrong one.
Oh, huh?
It should be on this way.
Oh, this way. Oh, I don't know. That's fine. Not very often we open it.
May tao pa dyan? Hindi. Okay, ano nga itong ano? Baliktad yung pagkalagay ko. Ito, yung fan. Ito, iangat mo lang itong dalawang ito. Para matanggal. Ito. Ito, dalawang istro. Ipataas mo. Taas! Hindi mo ako tinitingnan eh. Sige, baba mo. Yan. Mas maganda yan. Ano?
Take this away. Should I take this away? It's easier. Oh, that's it. Okay. Oh, okay, that's easy.
Yeah. Should be that way.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
Okay. Oh. So that if you want to remove it, just pull it this one way. Either way. That's it.
yes.
And then put the lock.
Good.
Good.
May pako pa. Single ya dito na to?
Di ibaba rin natin. Wala bang paghulugan dyan?
Dito na lang.
Okay. Sana ay binafo mo doon.
Diyan? Dito. Ilalaglag ko na lang. Basura naman. Brother, walang matamaan dito.
Dito sa may lawn dito, maluwang yan. Doon banda.
Walang tao, heads up. Oh, wait lang. Brother. Hey. Yeah, heads up. Wait. Tao. Habang ka. Ha?
Pero paabot na naman sa bago yung bang.
Yung hindi makita ah. Yung guguntingin mo lang.
Bago.
O hindi pa nakapako.
Kailangan bako.
Ha?
Wala pang pako yan. Bako ni Umar naglagay niya. Martilyo ko na lang siguro. Babarin mo? Hindi kailangan mo din ano yan. Gabihin mo na. Dito pinakapuno. Hindi, tanggalin mo muna ito.
Tanggalin yung isa.